again, guys. Here's this one info. And if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell for more future updates. So guys, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect your VPN to your laptop, which is you hotspot your VPN connection to your laptop. There've been a lot of requests. In my previous videos, I made some tutorial on that, but they were for some particular VPNs. But this one is going to be for general, all type of VPNs. Okay, no matter the type of VPN you are using, you can still hotspot it to your laptop. Okay, so if you are using a Proton VPN, any Express VPN, any type of VPN, you can still hotspot it to your laptop. So watch this tutorial to the end and you will understand everything. So this is the VPN that I'm having, HTTP custom. You see it is connected. So we are going to connect it. We are going to hotspot it to our laptop. So first of all, you turn on your hotspot. Okay, turn on your phone's hotspot. Then make sure it is connected to your laptop. So my device name is this one info. You see it is connected over here, but I'm using an unlimited basic file. I don't have data. Okay, so the network, the hotspot is connected to my laptop. Okay, so your phone's hotspot is connected to your laptop. Make sure the VPN too is also turned on. Then you go and download this app, which is the Every Proxy. That's what we are going to use for the connection. Okay, so download it. After then, you can get it from Play Store and online. After downloading, install it and open. So after opening, you come and turn it on. Here we are using HTTP proxy. Okay, let's turn it on. Then you click here to reveal the IP address of the VPN. So make sure the VPN is connected. Okay, so we have a couple of IP addresses over here. So what this app does is that it fetches the IP address with the IPs from the VPN. Okay, including the IP and the port. Okay. So here we copy one of the IPs with the port and paste them into the Wi-Fi section on our laptop in order to authenticate the connection. Okay, so let's use this particular one, this one. Okay, and then this is the port. Okay, so we are copying this IP, then we copy the port too. Okay, so we can write them somewhere. So let's go to the laptop and type them or paste them there. Network and internet settings. Then you come to Proxy. Okay, click on it. Then you come and select this one. Turn it on. So this is where we are going to type in the IP address, and here is the port. Okay, after that you click on C like 2-3 times. Okay. So let's type it. So let's type the port 2, which is see that on the every proxy, which is the app, the third party app, you see the connection. It will start moving. Okay, the signal will start moving. That shows that it is connected and it is working. So you can use it. You can use this method from all kinds of VPNs. Okay, whether Express VPN, Photon, Macan, any kind of VPN. If you use this method, it will work for you. Okay, so kindly hit the subscribe button, turn notification, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.